Hi, this is Martin on a Quick Mortgage Minute, and thank you for just taking a quick second right now with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Today we're talking about what we're in the midst of doing, and that is usually most people right now are thinking about their income taxes, right? So if you have a home, refinance your home in 2018, there are some deductions that you may be able to take advantage of. Now, I am not a CPA, I'm not a tax preparer, I don't have anything to do with anyone's taxes, but these are just some basic items that you might be able to take advantage of if you have a home, and this is why people buy homes specifically, because it helps them out on their itemized deductions. And an itemized deduction is something that you can possibly reduce your tax liability. Talk to your tax accountant and they can give you more information. But here's a list of some items that might help you. First and foremost is the mortgage interest. So if you own a home or bought a home, you might get a 1098 in the mail from your mortgage servicer, and take that 1098 to your tax person and they may be able to help you. And most of the time, like usually 99% of the time, that's a tax deduction, right? Secondly is property taxes. Take your property tax bill. If you have a property tax bill, take it to your accountant, take it to your person that does your taxes. Then that might be able to help you with your tax liability and as an itemized deduction. If you have a home office, some people run their business out of their home. Those expenses of running a home office could also help you as a tax deductible item, right? If you put anything energy efficient into your home, windows, solar panels, anything that could possibly be energy efficient, confirm it with your tax preparer, and those items might help your tax liability, right? If you also maybe bought a home or refinanced in 2018, take your settlement statement with you, maybe some of the loan fees that you paid, the appraisal that you paid. Some of those costs might be able to help you with your tax liability. So these are just a few examples of things that can maybe help you when you're out there doing your taxes. And this is why some people buy homes, because they take advantage of these things when they're actually doing their income taxes. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you again for your time. Have a great day.